Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I have really appreciated having these CasterMaster non-slip pads. What is so great about these is that it protects all of your floors from any damage from your furniture, especially if it's heavy. Sometimes it's easy when you move it. It can scrape or scratch the different surfaces that it's on. This is the 2-inch square set. It has a nice lip all around it to make it easy for the legs of the chairs or the tables fit really nice. The craft table in our front room fits just perfectly in these, and then our kitchen dining table as well. It's great for anything that's on laminate flooring, tile, or carpet. Now, the main reason why I got these, because we have a sectional couch set up in our living room. It actually slides very easy. So that's why I really like the anti-skid part on the bottom, because we have a lot of people in our house. So you can imagine the shenanigans that happen on this couch. We use it to work, to relax, to watch a movie, to play. These make our furniture a lot sturdier and protects the variety of flooring we have. I highly recommend it. They are so well made. And that's my point of view.